Very good morning, everybody. So in continuation of the mapping part, this video lecture is there to offer the mapping of Europe. The first part of the mapping of Europe we have already done, in which we have seen about the water bodies in and around the Europe. And now we are going to take the other physical features, and I will be starting from the Great Britain. So let us have the beginning. So here you see that this is a very outline map of the England, Ireland, and Scotland. First of all, let us understand that what sort of features are there, because it is very important to identify. Now, this part simply is called England. This is called England. This is called Scotland. This is called Northern Ireland, and this is called Ireland. Fine, and this is called UK, or the United Kingdom. So I hope that this is very much clear, and it is also mentioned in your NCERT class 7th. You will be able to understand that when we are talking about the United Kingdom, then this entire part is the part of this. All right. Now, let us talk about its physical features, the surrounding water bodies. So here you know that this part is there, and it is very much close to France. That in the other map I have shown, I will be reaching over there. So here, between the France and this here, there is a Strait of Dover. A Strait of Dover. UPSC 2017 Prelims, the Strait of Dover. And now this is known as English Channel. All right. And when you reach here, so there is a sea, and its name is Celtic Sea. Its name is Celtic Sea. This part is Celtic Sea. And now here it is St. George Channel. That is between the Ireland and England. All right, and here it is another strait, and this is called a Strait of, North Channel. Here it is called North Channel. This is called North Channel. North Channel. All right, so these are basically the water bodies, and as you know that this is called the Irish Sea, and this entire part here, it is the Atlantic Sea, Atlantic Ocean. And here if we come, so this is called the North Sea. This is called North Sea. All right. And if we add other features also into this, like if we take the mountains, so our job will become easier, because that way we will be able to finish this part. So here in this part, you will find a very famous mountain range in your atlas, and its name is Pennine. Pennine Mountains. All right. And then north to here, you will find the southern uplands. And here you will find northern West Highlands. All right. So this is what is the Scotland. And here the southern upland is there, that is between the Scotland and this part. All right. Now here few other mountains are there. Say for example here Cambrian Mountains. All right. So these are the very famous river that you need to do, and that is called the Thames River. That is called Thames River, and Thames River is here. Very famous, you know, that you have studied in history also. Thames River, England. All right, this much. And now come to the next one, and that is the map of Europe. So here we have already seen this England, this is Scotland, Northern Ireland. Now this is, you know, Norway. This is your Sweden. This is your Finland, and this is your Russia. All right, and as you can see that the Norway is coming here, 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 and here, and here actually it is joining. Here actually it is joining the map of Russia also. So remember that the Russia and Norway share their political boundaries. This is Norway and this is Russia. All right, and this is the part of Kola Peninsula of Russia. Kola Peninsula of Russia. And here only a very famous city of Murmansk is there. I'm mentioning it because it is important. Very famous city of Murmansk is there. Murmansk, and the important part of the Murmansk is that it is a port which remains open even during the winter season, where the larger part of the northern Europe is frozen. You have to answer why. Why Murmansk remains as a free port during the winter season, where the other part of the Norway or the Sweden or the Finland and Russia are remain frozen. So that you have to answer Murmansk port, and that is a very famous city also. Now, as you know, Norway, Sweden, and this, now you have to talk about the few countries here, and these are called the Baltic states. This is because it is the Baltic Sea. Baltic Sea. So here the states are Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. This is Estonia. Sorry, this is Estonia. Then here it is Latvia, and here it is Lithuania. And these three are called Baltic states. Remember, these are called Baltic states. All right. And here these are called Scandinavian countries. Scandinavian countries, which includes Norway, Sweden. Fine, Norway and Sweden mainly. If we add Finno-Scandinavian, so in this there is the Finland also. All right, Norway, Sweden, and the Finland. Norway, Sweden, and the Finland, Finno-Scandinavian countries. Now this is your country, and that is called the Denmark. And here in the previous map, we had seen that there is the Key Canal. Key Canal. All right, and this is the part of the France where I had said that here is a Dover Strait. Dover Strait. Dover Strait. And this is what the Gulf of Bothnia. This is Gulf of Bothnia. Bothnia. And here, if we are moving, so here you will find at the top Norwegian Sea. And here it is the North Sea. Here it is English Channel. And here it is Bay of Biscay. And here it is the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Here it is Black Sea. Here it is Caspian Sea. Here it is Sea of Azov. अब फिर से इसमें अब हम माउंटेन्स डाल लेते हैं, तो ये चीज फिर से कंप्लीट हो जाएगी। यहां आपने देखा दिस इज पेनाइन, P फॉर पेनाइन। नॉर्वे का यहां पर जब आप देख रहे हैं तो here it is the Scandinavian mountains. Here the name is Scandinavian mountains. और स्कैंडिनेवियन माउंटेन के ऊपर देखेंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा ज़ोलन माउंटेन। मैं सिर्फ फर्स्ट लेटर लिख रहा हूं, आप चेक करिएगा एटलस में। दिस इज द के से शुरू होता है, ज़ोलन माउंटेन एंड हियर इट इज स्कैंडिनेवियन माउंटेन। ऑलराइट, बाकी स्टूडेंट में आपके पास कुछ नहीं आएगा, बाकी आपके पास फिनलैंड में नहीं आएगा। फिनलैंड में यू नो लेक्स आर देयर एंड दैट्स व्हाई फिनलैंड इज कॉल्ड country of 1,000 lakes, country of 1,000 lakes. All right, अब आते हैं तो this is you know here it is the your Portugal, this is here it is your Portugal and here it is the Spain. Between the Spain and the France, here there is a mountain range and it is called Pyrenees. It is called Pyrenees. Pyrenees. यहीं पे एक छोटी सी कंट्री भी है, यू नो दैट इज आपको ढूंढना कि कौन सी कंट्री है, बहुत ही छोटी सी कंट्री है एंड दैट इज इन द यू कैन से द लैप ऑफ Pyrenees. तो आफ्टर Pyrenees here you will find Alps mountain. Fine. Here in Italy you will find another one and its name is Apennine. And here you will find another one, its name is Dinaric Alps. And here you will find Caucasus. Caucasus. Remember, the Caucasus has the highest peak of Europe. Caucasus has the highest peak of Europe. Alps hasn't. Most of the people think that it is the Caucasus which has the, sorry, it is the Alps which has the highest peak. No, it is the Caucasus and its name is Mount Elbrus. And the highest peak of Alps is there and its name is Mount Blanc. Mount Blanc. All right. Here there is a mountain range and its name is Carpathian. Its name is Carpathian and it has the horseshoe shape. Carpathian. Fine. And in this Carpathian, you know, there is the plain of Hungary. Hungary plain. All right. All right. अब थोड़े से आप और कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि जूरा माउंटेन है। अब मैं यहाँ पे लिखता हूं, आप इसको सर्च करिएगा क्योंकि मेरा मैप फिर काफी ज्यादा जिगजैग सा दिखेगा। जूरा माउंटेन देखिएगा, कंट्री बता देता हूं, दैट इज स्विट्जरलैंड। स्विट्जरलैंड आपको यहाँ पे कहीं कहीं मिलेगा जूरा। फिर आप दूसरा देखिएगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड द ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट। ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट और फिर मिलेगा आपको वॉस्जस। आपको हेल्प करता हूं कि ये आपको जर्मनी और फ्रांस के बॉर्डर के पास मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो दिस इज व्हाट यू नो द माउंटेन रेंजेस, और इसको तो आप पहले ही देख चुके हैं दैट दिस इज कॉल्ड यूराल। यूराल, तो दैट विल नॉट बी अ डिफिकल्ट थिंग। तो आई थिंक दैट द माउंटेन्स आल्सो आर डन more or less. Now the one thing is left and that is called the river and the cities. That we will be doing in the other map. With other map, I think that this much is just sufficient for the day. Just revise, keep revising and keep learning with me. All right, and please appreciate my honestly done hard work by subscribing and liking. Please like it so that the other people will also be encouraged to watch. Thank you very much for watching me.